So we've just done our first goalkeeper session of the camp. Went really well. It was a really good attitude and effort from the boys. 5 really good goalkeepers. We've looked at a bit of an all-round session today, so we have done an activation where we've got the hands going, low dives, volleys, and then we took it into the goal where we've looked at crosses, 1v1s and just general stopping. Been very impressed with the standard of all the boys because they were great to work with. So yeah, really good session, really enjoyed it. Thank you.
This is a class of goalkeepers and it's a training that we play football and we pass so good.
A good session and a good goalkeeper.
This is the best goalkeepers club of the world. I am stay very good.
That I'm very grateful having trained goalkeepers, and I'm so grateful with our coaches that are so kind.
My favorite goalkeeper is Iker Casillas.
It's a good job to say goalkeeper.